Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS textbook, our chapter A House Like This. Okay, in the last offline classes we have already started this chapter and we have learned that a camp is being held in our school and children have come from different places, and first Bhupen introduced himself and he talked their houses. Okay, so next question, see this page number 119. Okay, 1119, page number 1119. Why are houses made on bamboo pillars where Bhupen lives? Okay, so answer is Bhupen lives in Assam and it rains heavily in Assam, and so houses are made on bamboo pillars to prevent or to protect water in entering into the house. Okay, Bhupen lives in Assam, it rains heavily in Assam, so houses are made on bamboo pillars to protect water entering into rooms. Okay, next question number 2. What kind of roofs do these houses have? Why are they made like this? So these houses have slanting roofs. As a result, the rainwater does not cause leaks in the roof. Repeat again. These houses have slanting roofs. As a result, the rainwater does not cause leaks in the roof. Next question, number 3. How does one enter these houses? People, answer is people use ladders to enter their or these houses. People use ladders to enter these houses. Okay, next number 4. At night the ladder is removed from these houses. Can you tell why? This is done to prevent harmful animal from entering the house. This is done to prevent harmful animals from entering the house. Okay, all at night the ladder is removed from these houses. Can you tell why? And this is done to prevent harmful animals from entering the house. Okay, so next is, now it is Chameli's turn. Here this girl name is Chameli. Okay, and she said that I have come from Manali, and which is a hilly area. Okay, which is a hilly area. At our place it rains heavily and snows as well. Okay, Manali is a hilly area and at their places it rains heavily and so snows as well. When it is very cold, we like to sit in the sun, and our houses are made of stone or wood. Okay, so Chameli told that she lived in Manali. This is the hilly places, and these places rains heavily as well as snows falls. When it is very cold, we like to sit in the sun, and their houses are made up of stone or wood. Okay, so next question, in which area is Chameli's house? Okay, Next question number 1. In which area is Chameli, CHAMELIS house? Okay, so Chameli's house in Manali, CHAMELIS house is in Manali, MANALI, which is a hilly area. Okay, next number 2. What is the similarity? What is the similarity? SIMILARITY. Similarity in the roofs of Chameli's, roofs of CHAMELI' and Bhupen's house, BHUPEN' house. Okay, so answer is both the houses have slanting roofs. Both the houses have slanting roofs. SLANTING, slanting roofs. Okay, next question. Next number 3. Next number 3. How do roofs help? How do roofs help in their areas? In their areas, such roofs and such roofs do not allow rainwater or snow to get collected on the roof. Okay, and next, Mithali and Anuj said, Mithali and Anuj have come from Delhi and they showed picture of Delhi to everyone, and one thing, very high buildings, and said, oh, such tall houses, how do you climb up? Okay, this picture, and they lived in Delhi and their high buildings are here. Okay, so look at these houses and find out if there are similar houses in your area also. Okay, thank you.